Good morning, everyone. Michael with the Mad Bow Tie Garage, bringing you another episode today on the project truck, CJ's truck. What are we doing right now? Well, right now we're eating breakfast. It's early. Got some good old food. Got CJ here, so stick around with us. So got to run to the parts store and get a few things, and going to be we're doing some stuff on his truck today. So just check out the episode, and we hope you like it. So here we go. We're back here at the garage finally from eating breakfast, and got CJ here. CJ, what are we doing today?
Picked up a set of wheels this morning. We're going to clean them up and restore them today.
And I'll turn the camera around here. We got a set of truck rallies. I already got one that I actually had here at the house done, but we got some. We're going to do 7s and 8s on this truck. So stay tuned here. We're going to get them refinished today and show you the process of doing that. So let's get to work. The first step in that reconditioning is always make sure you get all the rust off, and that's what we're doing, a water wheel and a drill. We're going to redo the back sides and the front. And you can do this with any kind of wire wheel or any kind of cutter. You can see there it's cutting the rust. Now, one thing anybody can do, you can use a wire wheel to do this. The main thing is to knock all the scaly rust off. As you can see, we're getting there with this one on the back side. Always pays to do the back side, and CJ over here, he's starting on his front side of the wheels. Just smoothing it out, make sure it's nice and smooth, so when we go to paint it here in a little while, they'll turn out great. One other thing to make sure of is blow them out good. And once you start sanding, as you can see, it creates a lot of dust there. And once you do that, you can check it over and make sure you got all the pittiness out of the rust. And then you'll go down and wipe it down good. And then we'll start prepping for paint. Make sure you wipe it down good with lacquer thinner or some kind of cleaner, like a adhesion promoter or something like that. As you can see, it's very dirty from just wiping it down. So make sure you do wipe and clean it good before you start spraying paint. For the back sides of the wheel, you know, the truck rally, you really don't see the paint on the back side of the wheel. So what I like to do is use a black. So here's what I use. I use Duplicolor engine enamel semi-gloss black, DE1635. You can pick it up at any auto parts store. And the reason I do this is because later on down the road, brake dust and stuff builds up if you do it silver. And it just don't look the best. So using this, you can hide a lot of stuff, brake dust and stuff like that, especially on a wheel that you're not going to see the back side of. Now, if it's a spoke style wheel, I would say yes, paint them all the same color. But for this application, I'd say just do black. All right, y'all, I'm putting a little heat on these just to kind of help them tackle a little bit higher, but as you can see, it's a semi-gloss black, so it's not too shiny, just enough to give it a little bit of sheen, and man, let it roll with the back sides of the wheels. You're good to go. All right, everyone, on wheel color, I use Duplicolor wheel paint. It is the HWP 101 Silver. Now, this gives a good contrast. It's what I've actually got on my Mr. Goodwrench truck, so stay tuned. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, y'all, got the silver laid down, and now I'm just letting it cure for just a little bit, and I'm going to be adding the Dupa Color clear wheels paint. There's a clear coat to go over top of it, and then they'll be done. Or this one will anyway. Well, y'all, you know what actually sucks?
What's that?
Watching paint dry.
Yeah,
It takes too long. All right, y'all, we got the first one done. Nice clear silver coat on it with some clear coat. Number 2 done. All right, y'all, we've got all 4 wheels done to now, and let's take a look at them.
I think it turned out really well.
This is the man we gotta please right here. What do you think, CJ?
I think they look good, but I think it turned out real good.
So y'all will get some center caps on these, and wind's blowing like crazy here today. We're gonna go out here and pedal on the truck a little bit more outside. We're out here at the truck now. We're actually changing a flat tire on it. I got an old 6-inch rally wheel here. Just gonna throw on it for the time being until we can get it mobile and rolling. All right, everyone, that concludes today's coverage of Mad Bowtie Garage. I hope you enjoyed the video of redoing CJ's truck rallies that he's picked out for his project truck. And I just want to say that we do these videos, these tech videos, to show y'all that you can do it right there in your home. It doesn't take that much, you know, some wire brushes and a drill and some couple cans of paint, and you can make a nice set of wheels look awesome and rejuvenate them to back to factory specs. So appreciate you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As of right now, next time on Mad Bowtie Garage, we'll be going down to the Saturday night cruise-in here in Elizabethton, Tennessee. Now, that is a weekly Saturday night event. It happens from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. downtown Elizabethton, Tennessee. They average 200 to 400 cars, and the Carter County Car Club that hosts the event, man, they do an awesome job with it. They raise between $25,000 and $30,000 a year for children's charities. So we're going to bring you coverage from the very first one starting up next Saturday, the first Saturday of April. So, again, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And CJ had to tap out a little bit early, had to go do some stuff. So, I'm Michael, and I'm gone. See you next time.